I am Ivan Michael C. Atienza of Batangas State University, Bachelor of Science Information Technology, and for today's video, I'll be doing another packet tracer activity. So now we are in chapter 8, and this is in page 8.1.4.7. It's entitled Subnetting Scenario. So we have here the addressing table, and we have the IP address, subnet mask, and the default gateway. We're going to complete that. So I have already computed for the subnetting. I've already computed the subnetting. So design an IP. The objective: 7 IP addressing scheme. Assign IP addresses to the network devices and verify connectivity. The scenario: in this activity, you were given network addresses of 192.168.100.0/24 to subnet and provide IP addressing for the network shown in the topology. Each LAN in the network requires enough space for at least 25 addresses for end devices. The switch and the router of the connection between R1 or R2 will require an IP address for each of the link. Step 1. Subnet the 192.168.100.0/24 network to the appropriate number of subnets. So based on the topology, there are 5 subnets that are needed. So there are also 3 bits that must be borrowed to support the number of subnets in the topology table. So the subnets that we need to create is 8. And for the question, how many usable hosts does this create per subnet, is 30. We need 30 usable hosts. So I have already created the subnetting. We'll now configure, assign the subnets to the network shown in the topology. So let's configure with the router 1, CCNA, enable, config your terminal, interface, gigabit ethernet 0/0. So we will configure with the gigabit ethernet 0/0 first. So IP address. So the IP address is 192.168.100. So let's copy this IP address. So the first IP address is 0.1. Just added 1, and the subnet is 255.255.224. This 224 because there is 3 borrowed bits, so it is 224. Now we put the no shutdown command. We exit. Then the next interface, gigabit ethernet 0/1. We have entered the internet IP address. So the IP address for this is 19. So let's paste. So it's 192.168.100.33. 0.33, and with the subnet the same as the first subnet, 255.255.255.224. So no shutdown. So we exit this interface. So we go to the next interface. So interface S0/0/0. Now that we are in the interface, the next IP, the next IP address. So IP address, let's paste the IP address 100. So it is now 0.129 with the same subnet mask of 255.255.255.224. So code no shutdown. So we don't need the no shutdown for that. So let's exit this configuration. Now exit. Now we go to the next configuration. Now we were going to configure it with S3 here to switch 3. Go to the CLI. Once you switch CNA, go click enable. Configure terminal. And we're in the configuration. So interface VLAN 1 and IP address. We'll space the IP address. So the IP address for this is 0.66 with the subnet of 255.255.255.224. So that's the subnet. Now we are going to now put the no shutdown command. No shutdown. We exit there. Now as you can see, we have 21 of 30 completion. So the last step is in PC4. So let's open PC4 now in the desktop. So IP configuration. In this IP address, we put the same format, but it is now 126 according to my subnetting. So the subnet mask is the same because 3 bits are borrowed. It is 255.255.255.224. So the default gateway will be 1.97. Let's see. So there, the completion is now 30 of 30. So that's it for this tracer activity. I hope you learned something from my subnetting and even the configuring the different devices. So that's all for this video, and thanks for watching.